Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode. Today we are going to develop a WordPress site. So let's start. First of all, you need a server, local server. So let us assume that you have installed it already in your computer. So go to the blank website creation. My website name is say car show. So one empty domain is created to local server and it is empty. I need to upload the WordPress in this location. Go to the wordpress.org and download by clicking the get WordPress button. Download it. The requirement is like PHP. So our WordPress zip file is downloaded. I'm going to paste it here, unzip it, move all file to your root directory, remove the files. So go to the config.sample file and open it using a notepad editor. Here is your database name. Our database name is carshow and the username is root. We are keeping the password blank. You can add your password depending on your server. So make sure these comma and semicolons are accurate, because for the beginner it is sometimes confusing when you just remove one semicolon or a bracket. So save it as config. Just remove the sample hyphen. Your config file is ready. You can delete the sample file. Okay, now go to your domain carshow.test. You can install WordPress in any language. I'm using US English. Our website name is carshow. Username is admin and save password is as it is, but I'm making it simple. Confirm that weak password. Our email ID is just carshow and install. It will be installed in a minute. Our site is now ready and our password is admin. I added my so we are using the latest version of WordPress 6.8.1. This means this installation is done.